Hello beautiful people out there, welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look at how to update an app to Google Play Store. So what next? Follow along with me. See, this is my Google Play Store console. So I just want to update this app. So these are the app that I have on Google Play Store. We're gonna update this one. Bottle game. Go to release management. You click app release, and then you go to manage production. From there you click create release. So you will take you to another screen or another page. They say browse update another new APK file, prepare release, review and roll out. So I'm gonna update, but before you update you must make sure you do not update an APK file which is different from the one which is already currently on Google Play Store. So you must update the one with the same APK file which you have changed a few things there, not the one with different APK file, because the signing in will not gonna work. If you change everything, if you change the APK file, it's not going to work. So click browse. I already download. This is the app on my desktop. I just update. It's updating. Complete 24%, 30, 33, 40, 50. This one gonna depend on your internet speed. Processing. Yeah, upload successful. So now what next? You're gonna go to save. After saving, you have to review. From there, start rolling out to production. Now you are submitting it to production. Click. As you can see, everything has been submitted successful. So that is how you update an app to Google Play Store. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and if there's any comment, please post it down below. Up to then, if you're not subscribed, sorry, please do subscribe for more inspiration video every week. Until then, see you guys.